Reaction, 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 reaction. Ito po mga ka-reaction, no? Rapid tool po, oh. Niyaya si Senador Cynthia Villar na magpa-lie detector test. Tama ba naman yun? Masyado na talaga nagiging ano si Mr. Rapid tool po, no? Talaga naman, pakinggan po natin.
Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masini.
I'm not talking about Madam Sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well,
Sabi po ni Senator Rapid tool po, wala daw siyang pakialam sa legal. O ito, pakinggan natin ulit, ha?
kayo po, Madam.
But,
Negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masini.
I'm not talking about Madam Sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But
Di ba? Kailangan talaga, wala siyang pakialam. I'm not talking about the legal problem. Di ba lahat po ng businesses kailangan legal yan? Pero si Rapid tool po, wala siya, hindi siya masyadong particular sa legality.
in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Di ba? Everything should be legally correct. Si Senator Rapid tool po yata, ayaw niya yata ng legal, no? Gusto niya illegal ba? O, di ba? Pasimple-simple lang itong si Madam Cynthia Villar. Banat ng banat itong si Senator Rapid tool po. Baka kala niya show niya to.
Well, some shrewd businessman maybe. Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
O, tingnan mo, parang pinaparinggan si Senator Cynthia Villar na sinasabi, tuso si... Anong ibig mo sabihin dyan, Senator Rapid tool po? Tuso si Senator Cynthia Villar? Wala pa akong nababalita ang kaso ng alin na to o yung mga bilyar. May kaso na ba mga yan?
Hindi.
Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagan niyo Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung nagsinong-sinungaling. DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo? Lie detector test.
Where?
Polygraph test para malaman kung sinong sinungaling.
O di ba? Napakalupit po ni Rapid tool po no? Niyaya pa niyang magpa-polygraph test itong si Madam Cynthia Villar. Di ba? Oy, Rapid tool po, hindi mo show yan. Kahit na meron kang punto dyan, pero hindi ganong maganda yung pananalita mo dyan sa alin na yan. Hindi gumagalaw ang alin na yan na hindi legal. Pero itong pong si Senator Rapid tool po, para talagang yayayain pa niya magpo-polygraph test itong si Madam Senator Cynthia Villar, di ba? O, sige.
Pwede bang paki-identify po, Madam Sponsor, kung sino po yung dalawa sa picture na binilugan? This was an event in Rizal.
Ito po kasi ang mahirap kay Senator Rapid tool po, no? Akala niya, lagi siyang nasa kanyang show. Akala niya, lagi siyang nasa Rapid tool po in action. Mahirap yan, Senator Rapid tool po. Nasa Senado ka, ha? Alalahanin mo, nasa Senado ka. Sino ba yung mga asistan neto? Pakitawag nga yung mga asistan neto. Diba? Sabihin mo, pagkasabi sa kanya, nasa Senado siya, wala siya sa kanyang show.
They were invited by the governor of Rizal to do
To do what?
discuss a joint project with all the stakeholders.
Joint
of
projects.
Rizal. Yes.
Can the good sponsor tell us exactly who these two people are, their names, and then what who they represent,
They are
and what are the kind of business that they do, that they own?
they cannot recognize the other one, but the one is a quarry operator.
Quarry operator. Thank you. And the other one is?
They do not know him.
Okay, well, I'll identify the second one, Estelle Marie Rebancos, an officer of Montalban Aggregates Producers Association.
So quarry operator also.
Exactly. In 2022, DNR ordered the suspension of the quarrying permits of the large-scale companies allegedly encroaching on the Masungi Gear Reserve in Rizal, including the Rapid City Realty and Development Corporation, Kim Song Limestone Incorporated, and Quarry Rock Group Incorporated, owned by Angelita Lee, who happens to be in the picture. Sinuspindi po ng DNR ang quarrying permit ng mga nito, and yet, inibitahan sila diyan sa Project Transform. So out of delicadeza, bakit po sila nandyan? Ba't sila naimbitahan?
As I mentioned, they were invited by the governor of Rizal, stakeholders of in Rizal. Hindi ang nag-imbita sa kanila DNR.
Yes, di po ba dapat bilang secretary ng DNR, tinatanong niya, karapatan niya itanong kung sino-sino ang magdadalo sa isang pagtitipon?
But they canceled. You canceled.
Inside.
That's a DNR event, actually.
Inside.
So, ang DNR
Cancel.
must have the call kung sinong imbitahan at sinong hindi. Hindi naman event yan ng governor eh. Event po yan ng DNR.
Oo, kahit na-event pa ng DNR yan, Senator Rapi Tulfo. Di ko mo event ng DNR yan, si Governor, wala na siyang karapatang magtangay ng kanyang mga bisita. Ngayon, kung may bisita si Governor, hindi gaanong maganda sa tugtugin o sa tono ng DNR dahil nga, let's say, sabihin na natin, yung mga tao na yan may kaso o ano man, kung mo tangay-tangay sila ni Governor, alangan naman, pahiya mo, di ba? Oh, ano bang masasabi mo dyan, Senator Rapi Tulfo?
So, ang DNR dapat ang gumagawa ng guest list. Hindi po si Governor. Kahit na halimbawa inibitahan ni Governor, pero pwede naman tablahin ni DNR Secretary. Sabihin, I don't want that two persons invited because may mga problema sila.
Ikaw naman, Senator Rapi Tulfo, Governor yung may dala sa kanila. Governor ang may dala sa kanila, hindi kapitan, Governor. Senator Rapi Tulfo, Governor, naintindihan mo yung Governor?
Nasuspindi namin yung kanilang mga permits. And then I don't want to be mixed with those two individuals.
So, nasuspindi na yung kanilang mga permit. Ibang usapan yung permit, ibang usapan ng okasyon. Ano ba yung okasyon dyan? Di ba may okasyon yan? So kung may okasyon dyan, tangay-tangay sila ni Governor, malay mo, nililigaw ni Governor na ma-revise yung permit. Pero sa tingin ko, walang ano dyan, walang kinalaman yung DNR dyan. Ang may kinalaman dyan, si Governor. Dapat ipatawag mo si Governor. Ba't nilala niya dyan? Huwag yung DNR ang sabunin mo ng sabunin dyan.
Rapid City company inside the Masungir Reserve was canceled in 2023 because
you.
it's inside the protected area.
Tama po.
Italy, who is operating outside, is still operating.
Yun nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Now, siyempre, ang DNR may control doon sa guest list, doon sa mga taong imbitahan nila o hindi. Okay, sinasabi ng DNR, those two people were invited by the governor.
By
Pero,
the governor of Rizal.
exactly. Pero sila pa rin may control kung sino ang papupuntay nila o hindi, regardless kung invited ni governor, because that's an event of the DNR, that's not an event.
My dear Senator, when the governor is inviting people, the DNR cannot stop the governor.
No, but
That's the reality of life.
O di ba? Gusto po ni Senator Rapi Tulfo, halimbawa kasama ka ni Governor. Si Rapi Tulfo isa yung DNR. Sasabihin ni Rapi Tulfo sa mga bisita ni Governor, Gob, yung dalawang yan yung kanilang mga permit na hindi na-cancel, huwag mong ipasok dito yan. Ganun yun, Senator Rapi Tulfo. Baka mabastusan si Governor pag mumurahin ka ni Governor. Governor yan, hindi yan sekretaryo, governor yan, halal yan ng bayan, halal. Hindi yan appoint, halal. Yung DNR secretary, appoint lang yan. Si governor, halal. Kasi first time kasi niyang umawak ng public office si Senator Rapi Tulfo. Kaya hindi niya alam yung mga padri-padrino na ganyan. Huwag kang basta-basta mambabasto sa ganyan.
The Philippines. Like for me, if I am in Las Piñas and the mayor of Las Piñas will invite people, I cannot say that look, I don't like these people. You don't do that.
No, ma'am.
Si Senador Rapi Tulfo po, sabi niya, Senador Cynthia Villar, sabihin ko lang sa'yo, pag meron ka daw tangay-tangay, halimbawa, in-invite ka niya, o ikaw lang ha, Senador Cynthia Villar, pag may sinama ka, medyo hindi niya gusto yung timpla, sasabihin sa'yo, wag mong papasukin dito yan. Kabastusan po yun, di ba, mga kareaksyon? Hindi naman tama yun. Mali ka dyan, Senador Rapi Tulfo, wala ka sa show mo.
Kasi kung ako po ang nasa sitwasyon dyan at ako po ang secretary ng DNR, ako po ang may call kung sino yung mga guest na papasok. Pwede ko pong harangin yung mga taong ayaw kong papasukin regardless kung yan ay kasama ni Governor. Siguro naman may mga PA siya o EA na magsasabi sa kanya, sorry po Gov, wag muna natin siya isama kasi may problema po yan.
The governor cannot do that.
Well, I thought,
Di ba? Inaano na siya ni Madam Cynthia Villar, ayaw lang siya ng ayaw niyang patulan. Ayaw po niya ng patulan. Kalmante lang si Madam Cynthia Villar. Kasi yan ang tunay na mayaman. Si Rapi Tulfo, nagyayaman-yamagan. Yaman-yabangan, hindi yaman-yamanan. Yaman-yabangan. Oh. Sabihin na natin, mayaman si Rapi Tulfo. Pero kumpara kay Cynthia Villar, malayo pa ang umaga sa'yo, Senator Rapi Tulfo. Malayo pa ang umaga. Kaya, Senator Rapi Tulfo, ang aking friendly advice sa'yo, unsolicited advice, ay wala. Ba't kita bibigyan ng advice? Di ba matalino ka?
I mean,
Nandiyan
I'm a
po ba yung governor?
politician. You don't do that when you're governor.
well, I'm also a politician, but
Yeah,
I
but
have the right.
what's good is that the Rapid City was canceled because it's inside a protected area.
I know.
Italy was not canceled because it's operating outside the protected area.
Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, ulitin ko.
Di ba? Na-cancel daw po yung project dahil nandun siya sa protected area. Okay na yon. Okasyon to eh. Alangan naman yung business, okasyon to, dala-dala mo yun. Wag mong papasukin yan. Cancel yung permit niyan. Bad shot sa akin yan, sabi ni Governor. Walang yaka. Di lahat kami aalis na dito. Pati kayo umalis na rin dito. Dito kayo sa Rizal.
At sasabihin kong dahilan kung bakit ko pinakita yung picture na yan.
Mm.
Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Project Transform. Now, before I proceed, nandyan ho ba si Gob? Si Governor Henares? Nandyan po siya? Okay. Exactly. So, bit-bit ni Governor. Pero, if I were the secretary, meron naman sigurong karapatan magsabi, Gob, pwede ba? Wag mo muna natin isama yung dalawa. Magkakaroon tayo ng picture taking at baka magkakaroon ng kulay out of delicadeza kasi may problema yan. Ayaw ko makahalo-bilo mga yan dito. Siguro naman si Governor magsasabi, of course, kasi event nyo ito, gagalangin ko yung request mo. I don't think the Governor would say, no, hindi pwede, bisita ko to eh. I don't think the Governor would say that.
Ikaw naman, Senator Rapi Tulfo, pag sinabihan mo si Governor, wag mong isama yan dahil bad shot sa DNR yan. Alam mo kung ano sasabihin sa'yo ni Governor? Mababastusan sa'yo si Governor, Senator Rapi Tulfo naman. Di ba? Hindi ibig sabihin, Senator Rapi Tulfo, yumaman ka sa YouTube o kung saan man, tama lahat ang sinasabi mo. Kaiyan po yun, Senador Rapi Tulfo, pangit po yun, pangit na pag-uugali yun.
Don't think the governor will say that, but
Exactly.
in his mind, he cannot say, like, if you're a constituent in the province, you cannot say it directly to your constituent. Oo.
So that
Kahit
means,
na gusto niyan sabihin, hindi niya,
yes, so that means the Governor has a say on environmental regulations.
not
But if-
necessarily.
Therefore, may karapatan ang DNR na tumanggi kung sino yung mga bisitang ayaw na papasukin niya sa event nila. Because that was a DNR event.
Grabe pong bastusan ang ginagawa ni Senator Rapi Tulfo kay Senator Cynthia Villar, no? Kung iisipin po ninyo, kayang sabihin ito ni Senator Rapi Tulfo. Ganyan ba kababaw ang pag-iisip ni Senator Rapi Tulfo? May event yung DNR. in-invite nila yung governor. May kasama yung governor. Yung kasama ng governor na yung pong permit ng kasama ng governor ay nakansela. Kasama pa ba yun doon sa okasyon? Bubulat-latin mo ba yung permit ng tao? Di ba dapat kung may okasyon, enjoy lang? Wala mo na, isang tabi mo na yung business na yan. Di ba? Kaibigan ni governor yun. Na-cancel naman yung permit dahil yung lugar ay protected area. So yung protected area na yun, hindi sila pwedeng gumawa ng aktibidades doon. E di okay na, kinancel na. Wala namang kaso yung tao na tinatawag natin talagang civil case or talagang meron siyang tinodas o meron siya talagang criminal charge. Wala naman, permit lang naman ang natanggal. Bakit ang init ng ulo ni Senator Rapi Tulfo? Sinama lang naman ni Gob yung mga tao na yan dyan. Anong problema nun?
Now, sasabihin ko kung reason kung bakit. DNR is set to cancel the contract of Masungi Georeserve Foundation Incorporated over Marikina Watershed. They might have the right to do so legally, but morally, no. Some people will say that. They have the legal right to do it, but it is not in accordance to good practice. Sisibakin nyo yung Masungi and then papasok tong Project Transform na kasama dyan ay itong dalawang mga grupo na sinuspindi ang permit ng DNR. At hindi man lang inibitahan yung mga taga-Masungi sa gathering na yan.
No, Litali is operating outside Masungi.
Kaya nga po,
The other one lang is operating inside Masungi, and their permit was canceled.
Yes, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Meron ho bang invited dyan ang taga-Masungi?
Meron. Kung may invited daw doon taga Masungi.
They were invited, ma'am, but they didn't.
Bukod sa hindi invited yung Masungi, wala rin pong representative na indigenous tribe leaders and watershed NGOs.
They said that this
They were not as well invited. Ang imbitado lamang yung dalawang personality na binanggit ko na meron pong problema sa DNR, mismo DNR na nag-cancel na kanilang permit in 2022.
This is a transdisciplinary approach towards natural reserves, conservation, and resilience through multi-stakeholder collaboration. So,
Disciplinary.
nag-invite po sila dun sa Masungi, na taga Masungi, hindi nagpunta, pero yung IPs may nagpunta.
No, they were not invited, Madam Sponsor. Now, you did mention about disciplinary so-and-so. So, dinisiplina itong dalawa at inibita matapos sila disiplinahin. If they were disciplined, then they should not be there in the first place. Why were they there? Bakit po hindi inibitahan yung Masungi? No, Masungi wasn't invited. Not even the indigenous tribe leaders, maging po yung mga watershed NGOs. Ang in-invite lang yung mga nasuspindi o sinuspindi ng DNR.
We na-invite.
Sinuspindi ang mga permit dahil sa quarry.
Ang ito lahat na invite.
That way, pero ito yung indigenous.
They have a list of those invited, and one of them is the indigenous people mandatory
Where, nasa po
representative
paki-point out?
in Tanay, Rizal.
Saan po dyan at anong pangalan po ng mga indigenous people representatives?